उड़ू ऊंचा।
Hello children, today we are going to learn the sound of the letter O. Say it with me. O, O, O. This is a tree. Which fruit do you see on this tree? The color of this fruit is orange. Its shape is round. Can you guess the name of this fruit? That's right. Orange. Orange. The flesh of an orange is sweet and juicy. You can drink it as juice, toss it in a salad, or make orange marmalade. Or you know what? You can just cut it and have it as it is. Orange. Look at this outrageous animal. How many arms does it have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 arms. It lives in water. Do you know the name of this animal? That's right. This is an octopus. Octopus. Do you know the name of this animal? Ox. Ox. Ox help in moving people and grains from one place to another. They are very strong animals. Ox. Orange. Octopus. Ostrich. Ox. Now let's try writing the letter O. The sound of the letter is O. Start at the top and go around and around and join together. Now let's write it with pencil on paper. Start at the top and go around and around and join together. Great job! This is octopus. It has 8 arms. Look at the objects he is holding in each arm. Which picture begin with the sound O? Ostrich, donut, otter, ox, caterpillar, goat, sun, chair. Does ostrich begin with the sound O? Yes, that's right. Ostrich. What about this donut? No, it does not begin with the sound O. What about goat? No. What about ox? Yes, ox. Sun? Does sun begin with the sound O? That's right, it does not. This is otter. Otter like to live near water. Does otter begins with the sound O? Yes, otter. You did a great job.
Like, share and subscribe.